Hey, tech lovers. If you're into woodworking, metal engraving, or precision crafting, you're going to love today's video. We're diving into the top 5 best CNC router machines that can transform your DIY projects into professional masterpieces. From innovative handheld models to solid desktop setups, we've got something for everyone. And guess what? All the product links are right in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Plus, don't forget to visit techsiadvice.com for more reviews and in-depth comparisons. Number 5. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine is an all-aluminum beast that's perfect for all your engraving needs. The ZAC-X uses a linear rail instead of rods and T8 lead screw, greatly improving the stability and accuracy. Perfect for those intricate designs and detailed carvings. The upgraded controller box makes it super easy to access emergency and home buttons, which means you can work more efficiently and safely. The Masuter Pro's compatibility is a game changer. It comes with 2 spindle clamps, one for 52M and another for 65M spindles. It supports a wide range of spindles from 60W to a whopping 1.5 kW and even FoxAlien's 20W/40W modules. This versatility means you can tackle a variety of materials from wood to acrylics and even some metals, making it a fantastic choice for diverse projects. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 10-15 minutes thanks to its pre-assembled parts and pre-wired controller box. The detailed assembly guide walks you through each step, ensuring you get up and running fast. Plus, the large engraving area of 15.75x 2.36 inches is generous enough for most woodworking projects and even supports an extension kit for larger works. Number 4. Say hello to the 3020 Pro Ultra CNC Router Machine, an all-metal engraver designed for precision and power. This machine features a robust 710 well speedle with adjustable speeds ranging from 6,500,30,000 RPM, ensuring consistent performance whether you're working with solid wood, metal, acrylic, or even soft type. The upgraded spindle with its 1/8 ER11 collet is versatile enough to handle a wide array of materials. The 3020 Pro Ultra shines with its all-metal construction. The solid build includes a 40/40 Y-ax profile and a one-piece machined aluminum spoil board. This sturdy design, along with dual steel X-Xerox guides and a reinforced X-Xerox backplate, provides exceptional stability for precise and reliable performance. It's a machine built to last and to deliver impeccable results. One standout feature is the XYZ axe equipped with powerful 60M stepper motors, offering an impressive 7.3 M of torque. This allows for deeper cuts in aluminum, up to 1.5 M, in a single pass, making tough jobs easier and faster. Plus, the new design eliminates the heavy power supply box and incorporates a cooling fan into the motherboard, enhancing security and stability. Installation is hassle-free, taking just 15 minutes. And the machine's versatile compatibility allows for easy switching between different spindles and laser modules, making it adaptable to your evolving project needs. With a price tag of $599.00, it offers tremendous value for its capability. Number 3. The SainSmart Genmitsu 40 Pro Max CNC Router is a next-level machine with advanced precision and powerful performance. This model features XLX and ZX linear guideway structures, ensuring enhanced motion stability and precision during your projects. It's equipped with a high-powered 710W compact router, making it perfect for detailed engraving and cutting tasks. One of the most compelling aspects of this CNC router is its compact work area of 400x 78M, which is ideal for intricate and detailed tasks. The machine's design minimizes vibration, ensuring high precision and stability even during fast, high-power operations. This means you can maintain accuracy while working on complex designs. The Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max also boasts an increased material pass height of 100 mm, over 40% higher than the Pro version. This feature is crucial for engraving taller materials, giving you more flexibility in your projects. The integrated dust plate minimizes maintenance costs and extends the machine's service life. This machine is highly customizable and flexible with numerous upgradable accessories available. It's compatible with a wireless control module, making it easy to integrate with the official app for seamless operation, and at a price of $894.00, it's a fantastic investment for those serious about their craft. Number 2. The 3030 Prover MAX CNC Router Machine is a powerhouse designed for precision and ease of use. With dual linear guides and ball screws on the X, Y, and Z axes, it offers accuracy down to 0.05 minute, making it perfect for high-precision metal, aluminum, copper, and acrylic engraving. One of the standout features is its ability to effortlessly cut 2 mm thick aluminum stock, making it a versatile tool for your metalworking needs. The machine is easy to assemble with indexed parts and a dust-proof cover for the linear guides and ball screws, simplifying maintenance and ensuring longevity. Control is at your fingertips with the new single-knob offline controller, which offers precise control with an easy-to-access emergency stop button for added safety. This feature is excellent for those who want hands-on control over their projects without relying solely on computer commands. Additionally, the 3030 Pro Max supports a 4th axis module allowing for 3D rotary carving. This feature expands your creative potential, enabling you to craft captivating designs from various angles and positions. With a price of $764.10, down from $849.00, it's a solid investment for those looking to elevate their craftsmanship. Number 1, drum roll please. Our top pick is the Shaper Origin Handheld CNC Router. This machine is a game changer with its instant setup and unlimited possibilities. Unlike other CNC machines, the Shaper Origin doesn't require any computer programming. You can design directly on the tool, and it's highly portable and compact, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. One of the most impressive features is its enhanced precision. Equipped with automatic cut correction, you steer the Origin while it makes real-time micro adjustments to ensure clean and accurate results. This hands-on routing experience delivers CNC-level precision and accuracy, making it a must-have for detailed woodworking. The Origin comes as an all-inclusive package ready with all necessary accessories right out of the box. This includes the Origin itself, a selection of essential bits, and a Tanos sustainer to keep your workspace organized. It's designed in California and assembled in Germany, ensuring superior performance and versatility across a wide range of materials from hardwoods to soft metals. All right, that's a wrap on our top 5 best CNC router machines. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you found the perfect machine for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Don't forget, you can find all the product links down in the description, and for even more detailed reviews and comparisons, be sure to visit techadvice.com. See you next time.